Finally I made it to Thorsmork. Was about time. First time I was hitchhiking coming here, and I had to wait like 2 hours or 3 hours to get that ride. There are a lot of cars passing by, but most of them are not suitable for those road conditions. The road here is absolutely brutal, so rocky, deep rivers. You need a big car. I've seen footage of cars getting stuck in rivers. It doesn't look pleasant, so you definitely should not risk your vacation for a river crossing like that. It's not worth it. So maybe just leave your car, try hitchhiking, or take the bus from Seyjarlandsfoss. There's a bus going. I captured some footage from yesterday's touring in the mountains with a GoPro and with a drone, and you can have a look at that. Jesus, I knew it. So here we got a map of Thorsmörk to get a little overview. Yesterday I've already been at this area shooting photos and flying the drone over this area here. Right now we are here at this point, and I put my tent there. Down here is a mighty glacier with a volcano that erupted in 2009, 2010, something like that. Next I was thinking to go somewhere at this area, on this mountain, and then maybe with a view in that direction. The weather forecast for the next 2 nights is very promising. It says almost no clouds, just a few here and there. So I expect a lot of direct sunlight, maybe even clear sight on the sun as it comes up the horizon. I was thinking about going on this mountain, but not sure about this one. Could be nice, but there could be other places which are much nicer. So yeah, need to check it out, I guess. The good thing is I have now plenty time till the next sunrise. It's now 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. So a lot of time till sunset and the next sunrise. So yeah, I can really take my time, go slow, no hassle, no rush. I really like that. I like when you go on location and there's no rush. That's the best. I really hope that I can manage to take some really epic shots at this location, because it's probably one of the best locations you can get to almost effortlessly in Iceland, because with these black sand river banks and the high mountains, the glaciers, it's really a very unique place. And you have those volcanic shaped rocks on the mountains, which is really, really interesting. But it still requires quite some skill to capture incredible images as well. You can't just go around and snap from the ground. You need to get high. And you cannot just snap from the high points, but you also need to carefully plan your shot from there with the right timing, which is also a bit of luck with the weather. But hopefully the next 2 nights will be nice. I really hope so. This might be the last section where I talk to the camera. The rest might be just footage from the area. There's no much need to talk.